We're creating custom fields to measure DCMA metrics. Now, there are third-party tools out there, but if you don't have the funds to buy them, you can just create your own. I like to use it in project instead of the third-party tools, so that way I can easily fix things and it instantly tells me if I did fix it or not. In here, I've created a view with a table, and this just allows me to easily convert it over to Excel for the final. So I can see here that these are tripping, but do I know if I have too many or just enough? If it's bad or good? That I don't know in project. So to do this, you can convert it over to Power BI and tell Power BI to look for these fields and create you those dashboard reports if you want. Or if that's a learning curve to learn Power BI, you can easily copy and paste it over to Excel. And this is where I copied exactly what you just saw in project, except I have these formulas up here in this table. It is counting how many I have that are tripping the metric and then balancing it against the total amount of task. And then it tells me if I'm tripping the metric. I have up here what I'm allowed, and then it says, okay, 6%, you're only allowed 0, so I'm tripping it, it's red. And then you can see all the other metrics of where I'm doing poorly and where I'm doing really good. So I just have it count how many yeses. Now the logic metric is different because you are allowed one task with no predecessor and one task with no successor. So that's why I did a -2. So it's only counting the ones outside of those two. But to do this, all of these are custom fields that have formulas with them that are measuring other fields or other metrics. And I'll have separate videos to show you how I do each of those custom fields so that you can have a view like this. But this is so much easier to work with to see what you're looking at and know, okay, I've got to go fix this, what's wrong with it.